So I was messing in FL Studio and I placed a grand total of 4 fucking notes, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna bother all of you with this. It's not really step-by-step tutorial. I'm just gonna try to make some chords and maybe a melody, and I hope it's kind of fun to watch, kind of informational, but mostly trash. Don't expect anything of this, because I'm not either. See, this kind of sparked my imagination. So let's make chords on this, and for this I'm going to be very, very fucking lazy. Okay, so what I did just now, it's nothing much really. These are just simple major and minor chords, and these are just very easy to count. Yeah, like you have 3 notes in between and 2 notes in between, and it's either that or the other way around. And there's basically the difference between major and minor. Major, minor. Let's make this interesting and make the whole progression a bit longer. Do I have a plan? Not at all. Yeah, repetition. Yeah, let's shake things up. Ooh. Okay, so this sounds kind of fun. Nice. A couple of days ago I was listening to Supersonic from Demi Cannon, and that melody is very distinguished. You know, you have that's very obvious, that the da 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 da, and the most recognizable feature of the melody is the da da. So I thought maybe you can add a similar kind of feature in a melody and make it really stand out, like the bass notes of the melody itself. I'm just making up terms because I really don't know. Okay, so right now I'm just trying out shit to make kind of that hook I was talking about earlier, you know, the very distinguished notes, because these are the most important features of the melody, I think, or according to the theory I just thought of. And for this you can do everything you want just to get that hook right. So maybe just place notes till you have something that works for you, or start singing till you have something that works for you, or whatever. Just try shit out. Maybe I need something as a starter note. Nope. A bit boring. Okay, this sounds getting annoying. I'm just getting flags. Oh, that's a great help. Thank you. Okay, I'm starting to like this. And my whole thought process during this was, well, this sounded nice, so what do I want to hear after that? And kind of like keeping myself to this rhythm, like tick, 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 tick. And I'm saying tick on purposely and not TikTok, because TikTok sucks. Okay, enough rambling. Here I was just shaking things up because I don't like too much repetition. A bit is okay, but too much is boring in my eyes, or ears for that matter. Nope. This is annoying. Nice. Something else, people often ask me what note length should I use, you know? They often are not sure if they need to work with notes that are like this short or this short, or but the point is, it really doesn't matter, especially when you're making the melody. Just use something uniform, you know, something you can change it later anyway, so why bother worrying about it? Use something that's kind of works for you, so don't use overly long notes because that's overlapping and that's annoying. I tend to err on the shorter side, often like this. I mean, you're going to stretch it anyway later, and when they are short, it's easier to make like faster movements without it getting messy. So, especially during the making process of the melody, don't even try to think about it, because it really doesn't fucking matter. Okay, this sounds okay to me. I might be wrong. It's very likely that I'm wrong because, well, it's me. I hope this was kind of helpful. Thank you and see you next time.